After the continuous fryer is installed, first connect the power supply. Then close the circuit breaker. Next, turn on the emergency stop switch. The corresponding indicator light in the video will illuminate. The black switch indicated, turning it left lifts the continuous fryer, turning it right heats it. Heating will only operate when the heating switch is turned on. Heating is not activated in the lifting state. While the continuous fryer is in the lifting state, check the hooks. Make sure they are properly attached to the bar, checking both sides. Press the lift switch. The continuous fryer will begin lifting. The continuous fryer will automatically stop when it reaches the limit switch position. After stopping, insert the safety bar. To lower the continuous fryer, first remove the safety bar. Then press the down switch. The continuous fryer will descend and automatically stop when it reaches the limit switch position.